if you are not the big companies as you are, or the individuals looking for the opportunities, but if you're the entrepreneur looking for investment, what's the best way for you to get the attention of the people you're trying to attract, Mel?
So you go to our website and you apply to our programs. I mean, joke apart, this is really what we do. Like we offer a platform to entrepreneurs, and then we structure boot camps for 3 months, and then we put them in touch with investors. So we invest ourselves first. We're the first check for most of them. And then we're the deal flow to the people that you can see here. We have 24,000 investors who have invested in our network. In our portfolio companies, and so when you are an entrepreneur and you come to us and you go through the selection process and we decide to be an investor of yours, then after that, like, the world is yours. We're opening the doors.
But presumably, just like when you're compiling your profile on a dating app, you want to present yourself as well as possible, but you also need to have a certain amount of honesty about what you are, what you can promise and what you can deliver.
Yeah, so I think, as you probably rightly said, there'll be lots of founders looking for attention of investors. There are a few ways you can get our attention. Like some of the best founders, even when they sent a cold email, just a clarity of thought in their email. You write 2 or 3 paragraphs, but at the end of it, you feel like, you know what, this person I need to go and meet because they just have such spectacular clarity.
So
that could be
no
one.
Waffle.
Sorry?
No waffle.
No, absolutely. Just be very clear. It has to come through to us. Everybody has low attention spans, unfortunately, so you got to capture the attention of the investor. Now, the next best thing, and maybe even the better thing to do, is to go through a warm connect, right? So again, all of us get so many cold emails. You want to actually get it from somebody you trust. So if somebody that I know well is going to refer a founder to me, I'm going to definitely take that more seriously than something that comes cold. So again, find a way to get to the people through someone they know well and respect.
Yes, I would like to add on, I think warm introduction is very important. And if you do not have networks, you can perhaps go to Techstar and, recommendations from Techstars, I think, you'll get a more favorable evaluation.